Hey there! Have you been wondering how you can teach and develop multiplication in a fun and interactive way? Well, look no further. I have the perfect solution for you, a fly-by-numbers multiplication board game. It comes with everything that you need to make sure that multiplication is fun, enjoyable, and interactive. This package comes with the actual board, 4 pointers that are of different colors, challenge cards in blue, chance cards in pink, a score sheet, rules of the game, instructions on how to play the game, the multiplication table, and a bag where you can put your pointers and your dice so that they do not go missing. This game aims at developing learners' multiplication skills. It further develops their ability to differentiate between multiplication and addition when given a problem, as some learners tend to apply their addition skills when given a multiplication problem. They just add and think they will get the answer, whereas they have to multiply. Through moving from one box to another, children learn about the different levels of multiplication. The simple ones, such as 4 multiplied by 2, where they can use their hands to work out the answer, and the difficult ones, such as 9 multiplied by 9, where they can use the given multiplication table. The game also strengthens their ability to understand and remember the multiplication table. Furthermore, the game teaches them about number sentences and how numbers can be switched, and you will still use the same understanding of multiplication to get the answer. They will learn that 2 multiplied by 7 is equals to 14, which is the same as 7 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 14, and 14 is equals to 7 multiplied by 2, and 14 is equals to 2 multiplied by 7. The switching of numbers in an equation doesn't mean they shouldn't apply their knowledge and what they have been taught when it comes to solving multiplication problems. This game can be played by 2 to 4 people each round. It can be played inside the classroom and outside the classroom. Here are the rules of the game. There must be 4 players in each round. Follow all the instructions. Begin at the start block. Do not play when it is not your turn. The player with the most points wins. Let's not forget, do not cheat. Instructions on how to play the game. First, write each player's name on the score sheet. On your turn, roll the dice and move your counter around the board clockwise. If you land on the multiplication box, answer the question correctly. The group will decide if it is correct. If not, you get no point. Record the answer on the score sheet. If you land on a challenge space, pick up the challenge card and answer the question correctly to score the point. If you land on a chance space, pick up a chance card for a treat or a trick. Good luck! As instructed, you write each player's name on the board, and then each player will take their own pointer and the first player has to roll the dice and move according to the number. 1, 2, 3. You get here, and then you have to think, what number multiplied by 4 is equals to 24? That is 6. Does the group agree? Yes. Then you get your point. How many points? It's 5 points. And the next player comes. The player lands on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The player will move here and think, what is 2 multiplied by 8? That is 16. Does the group agree? Yes. Then the next player gets their 5 points. If a player lands here on the challenge box, they have to take the challenge card and read it to the group. This is the challenge card. A packet of pens has 4 pens. How many pens are there in 6 packets? And then you have to multiply. What is 4 multiplied by 6? And then you have to think. That is 24. Does the group agree? Yes. And then you take the card, you put it here. And then you get your 5 points. If a player lands on the chance box, say this is your chance where you landed, and then you have to take the chance card and read it to the group. This chance card reads, move 2 steps forward, correct answer will get you double the points. And then you have to place the card aside. 2 steps forward, 1, 2, and then you're here. And then you were thinking, 9 multiplied by 9 is a big number. Hence, this is where the multiplication table comes into play. And you're gonna go, okay, 9 multiplied by 9. Where do they meet? They meet here at 81. After getting 81, you have to tell the group that it is 81, and then you will get to double the points. Learning through play is not only effective, but it makes learning fun, enjoyable, and very effective. The game caters for different types of learners, the visual, the logic smart, and the interpersonal ones, as members will be working together and playing together. This game costs only 37 Rand 50, and it can be found at the stores shown.